The demating of Leonardo actually took place at 4:50 a.m. Central. You can see some sped up video of the move thus far here. This is about 8 times the true speed of the robotics work, which is always, of course, done very slowly and carefully to make sure that nothing is damaged as the move progresses. Again, it was actually detached from its former Earth-facing Unity port and is now well on its way to the Tranquility port. It's scheduled to be mated around 8 a.m. Central Time. View here of the permanent multi-purpose module, again in mid-flight. At the end of the station's Canada Arm 2 being controlled by robotics officers here on the ground, not only in Houston at Mission Control, but also in Canada at the Canadian Space Agency's Mobile Servicing Systems Operations Center in Quebec. The robotics officers here on the ground report that they are now moving the permanent multi-purpose module into a distance about 40 centimeters or 15 inches from its new home on the forward Tranquility port. What is now the permanent multi-purpose module started life as the Leonardo multi-purpose logistics module and was used basically as a moving van for cargo being sent up to the space station inside the payload bay of the space shuttle. It first launched in 2001 on board STS-102 and flew on a total of 8 shuttle missions, including its last, STS-133, in 2011, when it was delivered as a permanent fixture and installed on Unity.
Let's say a couple things. The 4.0 is serial number 2 Mike 0063. It's in node 2 forward right now.
Okay, we copy. Thanks.
Also, I found something in one of the CTVs with the space drums bottles. It's called an electronic unit blind panel, and the barcode is Mike Echo Foxtrot Oscar Echo Bravo 30 Juliet.
Kubanto. I think I am complete, unless you have something else for me.
Thank you very much, Samantha. Great job. And thanks for your comments to the improve our procedure as well. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the support. And I'm glad we were able to put the cover back on. I had a doubt at some point. So all is good. Thanks.
Robotics officers here on the ground are happy with the alignment of the permanent multi-purpose module and now getting ready to move it into what's called the ready-to-latch position. The permanent multi-purpose module is now installed on the Tranquility node. That final second stage capture that marks the installation took place at 8:08 a.m. Central Time as the station was flying 252 miles over Paraguay.